Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. Why am I going like this? Anyway, let's get started on today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU presents Birchbox Man. That is correct. This is the grooming box. It doesn't say yes like the other box, the regular box says. But this is Birchbox Man. And you know what? I'm going to be totally honest. They have me so confused. Because when I go on there, it says August full reveal coming. So it doesn't show me what's in August box. But it tells me it's on its way. That it's still on its way. It has not said that it has been delivered. And it's waiting for me to review the products. So I'm just going to say this is August box. Anyway, for those of you that are new, welcome. Thank you for being here. And for those of you coming back to my craziness, thank you for being here as well. Bienvenidos. Saludos a todos. So, Birchbox Man. So let's get started by opening up this bad boy. I am going to use a knife because I just put on these impressed nails and I don't want to see them pop off. Oh, I probably will have this video up already, but I just filmed Jeffree Star's deluxe box, and I have it also on my hand. So let's open this up. Yeah, so I already paid for a 6-month subscription to this. It ends up being about $10 a box. I will link everything down below, but I ended up paying about $50 because I used the Ebates app, and it saved me what was it, 10%. And there was a coupon code, so I brought it down, or something like that. And anyways, the whole thing is I paid $50 for 6 months. So here we have it. Yeah, it tells me that it's on its way. So this is, they put a box inside of a box. So let's see what's inside the second box. What are those dolls called when they have one inside of the other? Stacking dolls? German stacking dolls? I don't know. If you know, let me know down below. Let's get rid of that. This is nice. They do the men's box a little different. It's just like plain, straight to the point. Ooh, okay. And so far, everything that's come in the men's boxes, I've been using them. Shh, don't tell my husband. I've been using them, not him. Okay, so this says Birchbox. This is exactly what I see when I open up this box. Is a little sheet of paper, and it says, "No sweat summer guide. We want to make it easy for you to feel confident in your skin year round, but warm weather poses some unique challenges. Here are our favorite expert tips to get you through the summer." Obviously, I can't read. Figure 1 body hair solution. Use a hair removal cream. Lasts longer than shaving. Easy to use on large areas like your chest and back, and less expensive and painful than waxing. Again, this is for Birchbox men. Although some women probably can use that information as well. Excess sweat. So solution. Carrying cooling wipes. Freshen up whenever your travel takes you. Use anywhere in your body. Pair with an antiperspirant deodorant for maximum sweat protection. Have you seen that new ad where they have deodorant wipes now? Yeah, anyways, that's a whole different video. And figure 3, sun exposure solution. Wear at least SPF 30 every day. Reverses signs of aging. Prevents future wrinkles and dark spots. Found in many everyday moisturizers. Check the bottle. And for those of you that are very, very young, heed that warning. Do it. I didn't do it, and I'm paying for it now. So sunscreen, very, very important, or stay your ass out the sun. So in every box, they let us know what's inside of the box, and they also give us the full size prices. For those of you that are not familiar with Birchbox, you do get deluxe size samples or even just samples in the box. It is $10 a month, so don't expect anything outrageously big. But there is sample. It's only samples, okay? Just samples. So actually, it's kind of good for those of you that don't want to buy something and then figure out, oh, it's not for me. I don't like it. It stinks. Whatever. You get to try it out, and then there's always coupons in there to try the new one, to try the full size one. So right off the bat, what is this? Hims multivitamin. Oh, they're gummies. They're gummy vitamins called Hims. And what does it say? forhims.com. It's actually on there. There it is. There is the information. This thing is good till next year. Directions: eat 2 gummies daily. Let's read about it. Hims, biotin gummy vitamin, full size. I'm assuming it's like probably a 30. So no, if it's 2 gummies, it's a 60 gummy supply for full size. So these contain biotin, which strengthens hair and nails and promotes healthy skin. Eat 1 gummy a day with or without food. This one says eat 1 a day. This one says tip, eat 1 a day. And this one on the package says eat 2. See? Eat 2. Right there. And then here, where my nail's at, says eat 1. So eat 1, eat 2. I guess it doesn't matter. So, oh no, it's not. It's different. So the next thing is Kiehl's Oil Eliminator 24-hour anti-shine moisturizer for men. Which is this here. Kiehl's is a really good brand. I think a lot of people like to use Kiehl's. Men's, what it says, this moisturizer diminishes shine and minimizes the appearance of pores over time. The full size bottle of this, or container, whatever comes in, is worth $27. It says use on clean skin both morning and night. I'll probably use it. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells like what is in here? It smells good. It kind of smells minty, but and then it diminishes really quickly, but it smells good. So that's that. Let me focus. There you go. The next item we're pulling out of there is this Proraso shaving cream. Oh, I've always wanted to try this. A concentrated creamy shaving soap that's as classic as they come. After cleansing, mix a small amount of cream with water and apply to face. I've always wanted to try these. You know, I've always wanted to buy that kit where they use the little brush and they go and make like a foam, like the shaving foam. I've always wanted to try that. So the full size is $10. So I don't smell anything where I'm smelling the other stuff. So that's that. Oh, oops, upside down. So that's that right there. Sapón de barba. That's Italian, right? Sapone de barba. Kind of like Spanish. Oh, jabón de barba, I guess, right? I don't know. That's that. The next item is Hans de Fuco. We got a Hans de Fuco last time, but it was a pomade. I use this in my hair today. So this is a claymation, and this one says, here you can see that, Hans de Fuco claymation. Full size is $23. So a subtle styler that pairs the hold of wax with a soft, versatile finish of clay. Apply to damp hair or dry for a matte finish, or wet hair for a natural sheen. So that's inside. The pomade is okay. I used it in my hair today, and it actually slicked my hair down because it was looking a little frizzy, but it added a little shine to it, and it kind of looks nice. So that's that. So Hans de Fuco claymation. Okay, then the next thing, this kind of looks like a, oh, I like this soap. So this soap looks like it's a full-size soap, unless it's supposed to be bigger. But it's called Duke Cannon Big Ass Beer Soap. Full size $10.50. You'll absorb beer's skin benefits like increased firmness without smelling like it. It's made with premium American lager. Oh, get out. So that's, I wonder, oh, this is the Big Ass Brick of Soap Junior. So there's a bigger one in this. This is a half pint. So a full pint would probably be like this big. 2 of these. Wow, okay. I'm kind of curious to buy the full size now. Made in USA, a portion of proceeds benefits U.S. veterans. It says Duke Cannon isn't a big fan of microgreens, purse dogs, or getting stopped by the TSA. That's why he manufactures the Big Ass Brick of Soap Junior, a travel-friendly half ration of his signature military-inspired bar soap, the perfect size for deer camp, business boondoggies, or weekend jaunts to Kenosha. And this is made in Minnesota. Let's see. Beer built right since 1849. Josh Schultz Brewing Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So they get their beer from Wisconsin. Old Milwaukee. Oh, Old Milwaukee. See that? American lager. So that's what they use. Ooh, this smells good. Oh, it smells real good. Stock number 003. That's what that looks like. And it is a brick. And it smells good. It smells really good. That's good. I want to know what the full size looks like. So that's everything. So recap: Duke Cannon, big ass brick of soap junior, Hims Biotin, Kiehl's oil eliminator, Hans de Fuku claymation, and Proraso shaving cream, shaving soap, shaving cream. And that's it. And the little paper. That's everything that came in here. So let me know what you think of this box. Do you like it? Was this something you would get your man, or even for yourself? Would you get it any of these items? Like I said, I will link everything down below. It's only $10 a month. They have not raised the prices on this one yet. In 6 months is like $50, $60. But with coupons on Ebates, I will link that down below as well. Sometimes you get 10% off or $6 off. Then you get some cash back. I got 6 months for $50, and so far I liked all the items. So that's it. That's all I have for you for Birchbox. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this box, and if you would ever get one. I mean, may not be in the cards for you right now, and that's quite all right. So thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget. Oh no. Thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up if you like this video, and the notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. Don't you want to know when I'm putting these videos out? So thank you for hanging. You guys don't know, I'm so close to 1,300, and I truly greatly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Until next time, hasta Laterz.